Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings, and I am sure after seeing the Kali cards, you all must be super excited that I am back again with my Kali Ma card. So let's see what is the first card. It's a beautiful card, Devi Ma Kali. It's as if the Devi is just born and the Devi is resting, but it's a lot of solace and peace when you see that that the Devi is resting. But as usual, I'll pull one more card, and the next card which came was Khadga. So let's see what the Devi has in store for you all today. When I see the Devi Ma Kali, as if I feel that she is loving you endlessly, and it is her hands that is caressing you here. Though I feel as if the Devi is born, but I feel she is being born in you, and it's just that maybe today you just need the mother's love, and there she is giving you the love. So accept her love, accept her compassion with happiness, and maybe there are battles which you have been facing, and maybe you feel that a lot of things have been happening around you, and you don't know how to solve them, or you don't know how to handle them. So she is going to hold you. You just need to call on her and speak to her. Just tell her, oh dear mother, hold me in your hands, take care of me, guide me, and teach me what is wrong, right, and what is wrong. I need to talk to you. Give me a response. Let me listen to your voice, and let me come out of the issues that is troubling me. Now, when you do this to her, basically, she is the one who will give you the courage to handle the pain, handle the issues that you are, going through, because this sword or this axe is hers, and she is going to see to it that whatever you desire will happen. She will not allow you to get into fears or get into any obstacles, and she will see to it that she is there for you, blessing you and working with you in your struggles and bringing in harmony in your life. So those who are missing their mothers today, there is the divine mother there for you. Just call on her, and you will see how immensely she's going to bless you today. Let's go with the color red, because I feel you need a lot of energy for yourself. So the color will be red, and in the morning just start your day with chanting Jai Ma Kali 108 times, and if you have some time, do some prasad for her, offer it to her, and you can also have it. Have a beautiful and an awesome day ahead. Thank you.